All right, good evening, and welcome, and thank you for coming out this evening. You are in for quite a treat. Our second grade students have been really working hard for this performance tonight, and I think you're going to really enjoy it. Before we move further, I would like to thank our second grade teachers and Mrs. Wayner, our music teacher, for all their efforts and support with the students and getting them ready for this evening. I do have a few housekeeping items. One, if we have cell phones, please make sure that they're on silent for me, and you put those on silence. The other thing, if you're taking pictures, and that's okay, just be aware of people around you as well. The one thing that we do ask is Mrs. Wayner needs all the students to focus on her. And I know it's hard, but we need you to refrain from shouting out and calling names and getting their attention. We want them to do their best this evening. Let's see. Oh, at the end of the program, I'm going to ask everyone to stay in the auditorium for a little bit. We want to move the students back to the classroom where you will be picking them up. But we want to give them a little bit of time to get there before we dismiss everybody from in here. I would say most of all, sit back and enjoy. I think you're going to have a good time. And I present to you Mrs. Wayner and the second grade students in a Science Fair Spectacular.
Welcome to the annual Science Fair Spectacular. The scientists have been working hard at work, testing their hypotheses and forming their conclusions. We have with us today the band Sounds of Science. Thank you for being here today.
The band was explaining to us earlier that the sounds we hear are really vibrations creating waves. Fascinating, just fascinating.
You mean the sounds we hear are like waves in the ocean? Yeah, man. When we play our instruments, a vibration is created that travels through the air. So what you hear are the vibration waves.
And did you know there is no sound in space because there is no medium, such as air or water, through which the waves can travel?
Band, I think it's time to start playing so we can surf on some of those sound waves.
So, Albert Einstein, we see you have 2 science projects here today. You must be very talented in science.
I have no special talent at all. I'm only passionately curious.
Tell us about your project.
It's about the first step in the scientific method.
Oh, and what would that be?
Imagination.
I thought it was question or purpose.
Well, sure, but before you can question something or have a purpose statement, you have to use your imagination. Where would all these scientists be if they didn't have the imagination to think beyond what is expected? Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions.
After the last project, I can't wait to see what else you have to show us today.
Water.
That doesn't seem very imaginative. Oh wait, I get it. It must be special water that enables you to see through time or something.
No, it's just plain water. I believe in making everything as simple as possible, but not simpler. You see, water is the perfect example of something that can exist in the 3 basic states of matter.
I think I'm in a state of confusion right now.
Of course, there's also a 4th state of matter, plasma, which is the most abundant state of matter in the universe because stars are plasma. I theorized through there is also a 5th state of matter.
So why don't you demonstrate the 5th state of matter?
I would need a state-of-the-art laboratory in order to create the conditions necessary for this state to exist. But water is wonderful because you can easily demonstrate the change between a solid, liquid, or gas. You can melt it, freeze it, evaporate it, and even make it condense. Water does it all.
Ah, wonderful. Water can be a solid when in the form of ice, a liquid when in the form of regular water, and a gas when in the form of steam or water vapor. I get it.
The number of states of matter is in a state of flux right now, but the ones we can rely on are solid, liquid, and gas.
Don't make eye contact. Maybe they'll just go away.
We can't just ignore them all day. Maybe we should go talk to them.
I'll handle this. Hello, protesters. We come in peace.
We don't want to cause any problem either. We just want Pluto back.
I'm afraid there's nothing we can do. The International Astronomical Union has made their decision, and they made it based on solid evidence.
They aren't saying Pluto isn't important, just that it technically isn't a planet.
But it's always been a planet. It never did anything wrong. It hasn't even completed a full rotation around the sun since its discovery. How can they go around and change things like that?
Yeah, how can they do that? That's not fair. Save Pluto.
Yeah, save Pluto! Calm down, calm down. Does it really matter what we call it?
It doesn't matter if it's called a planet, a Plutoid, or a Petunia. It will always be the same planet, Pluto we all know and love. We love Pluto! Ah, Isaac Newton, and what project do you have to share with us today?
Great apple. Want one? About that project. Oh, yes. Well, I'm doing some work with motion.
I've heard you establish 3 laws of motion.
Yes, let me demonstrate. Here, have a seat.
Gladly, thank you.
As you can see, the chair is at rest. But if I exert a force on this chair, then the chair will stay in motion until it is acted upon an outside force. That is the first law of motion.
I think you should be the first outlaw of motion.
Would you like to see the second and third law?
No, please no.
No, I think that is enough for today, but thank you for that demonstration.
Well, okay, if you're sure, if you're looking for me, I'll be an object at rest under that apple tree out back.
Have a nice time.
I hope an apple falls on his head.
Object in motion stays in motion, and an object at rest stays at rest.
The harder you push, the faster it goes. The bigger it is, the harder you push.
For every action, there's an equal yet opposite reaction. George Washington Carver, nice to see you. So what kind of scientific work are you showing today?
Let me ask you something, fellas. Do any of you have a garden at home?
Sure, I do.
And what do you plant in that garden?
Corn.
Do you plant corn every year?
Absolutely. I love corn almost as much as I love Pluto.
Have you ever thought of planting something else like peanuts?
Why would I want to plant peanuts when I have to work so hard to get my corn to grow?
Well, for that reason exactly. If you keep planting the same crop year after year, you will rob the soil of the nutrients that crop needs to be successful. And do you know how many things you could make with peanuts?
Well, I suppose that might make sense.
For example, if you planted peanuts this year, watermelon next year, spinach the year after that, then corn again, your soil will become much richer and so would your diet.
I think he could be onto something.
Well, I guess I could try it. I still think it sounds nuts.
More like peanuts.
Galileo Galilei, always a pleasure.
Nice to be here. I have some very exciting things to share today.
Please, we would love to hear about it.
If I drop two objects off this different mass off this tower, they'll hit the ground at the same time.
What? No way. I have to see that to believe it.
Very well then.
Wow, he was right. They hit the ground at the same time.
Well, now, that is very interesting. Why do you think that is happening?
Gravity acts on the objects the same regardless of their mass.
So, you just proved Aristotle, the great Greek scientist and philosopher, wrong.
Hey, I wonder what would happen if you did the same experiment on the moon.
Not only did you prove Aristotle wrong, but you proved that experimentation and the scientific method is the only way to prove scientific ideas and research.
We have now seen all the entries for this year's Science Fair Spectacular. After careful consideration, we have come to the consensus that all of this year's scientists tie for first place, but the real winner is mankind, because we get to experience all the wisdom these great minds have shared with us. Thank you, and see you at next year's Science Fair Spectacular.
Let's give them another round of applause. Great job. All right. Okay, we're going to ask you to stay here for a few minutes until we get them back to their classrooms. They're going to exit the backstage here, and then we'll get you down to the classrooms to pick the students up. So if you can hold and be patient with us.